Assalomu alaykum warahmatullahi hammaga. Hop, bugun reading passage bilan analiz qilamiz. So today's our topic is about redwoods. Okay, so as you can see, so we've got matching headings type of question, ya'ni matching headings question turib bor ekanmiz sizda. Keyin instead of the each for correct person, ya'ni odamlarni ismini namoyishga qo'shishimiz kerak va oxirgisi fill in the gaps, ya'ni bo'sh anaqa yechkalarni bitta so'zlar bilan nima qilishimiz kerak, to'ldirib chiqishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Hop, bitta analiz qilamiz, oz qanaqa qilamiz? Birinchi bo'lib polniy fokus matching headingsga analiz qilamiz, ya'ni qanaqa qilib oson topish mumkin, qanaqa to'g'ri topish mumkin va strategiyalarni o'rganamiz. Undan keyin keyingi question type o'tamiz va oxirida mana question type qo'yamiz shunda. Hop, birinchisi ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz nima qilishimiz kerak? Ya'ni mana bu berilayotgan variantdagi umuman e'tibor bermasligimiz kerak. Ya'ni birinchi bo'lib, mamiti paragraf A da o'zi nima demoqchi, shu narsaga analiz qilishimiz, ya'ni shu narsaga fokus qilishimiz kerak bo'ladi. It could be said that the history of modern America is covered in redwood, with calls to save these giant trees being made almost as soon as people began cutting them down. Ko'radigan bo'lsak, ya'ni bu yerda redwood qanaqa ulkan bitta daraxt turgan Amerikada topilgan. He bought in 1848 when the was found in California. Some businessmen from the east saw an easy way to get rich. Ya'ni Kaliforniyada 1848-yilda shu gold topilgan ekan. Biznesmenlar bu narsani eng oson boyib ketishga oson yo'l aniq qilishgan ekan. Recognize the potential, ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz, potensialni aniqlashgan. Что nimani radishes tried granite root resistant woods that would quadruple and to'rt barobarga California populationni anaqa 10 yillik ichida nima qiladi, oshiraveradi to'rt barobarga. San Francisco expanded the great forest near the city were virtual levelage. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz, San Francisco o'sha expand bo'lgandan keyin near the city were virtual levelage bo'ldi. Further north, timber entrepreneurs used fair means in the fall to purchase thousands of acres of federal lands dominated by redwoods for 2.50 an acre. Beginning an area of the corporate logging that continued for decades, by the 1880s, some 400 sawmills north of San Francisco were churning out of timber for furniture manufacturers and the construction industry. Xullas, ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, bu yerda главный narsa nima bo'lyapti, что Amerikada qanaqadir wood haqida gap ketyapti va gold. O'sha narsani potensialni odamlar anglab qolishgan, что ularga yaxshi anaqa olib kelib beradi, foyda olib kelib beradi va mana shu tez boyib ketishligi mumkin, как foydalari haqida ketyapti. Endi nima qilamiz? O'qib bo'lgandan keyin, polniy bitta paragraf tushunib bo'lgandan keyin, variantlarga bitta qarab chiqishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Ya'ni the economic benefits of long-term planning. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz, bu yerda ekonomik foydalari bor, ham get rich bor, lekin bu yerda ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz long-term planning haqida shunaqa informatsiya bergan yo'q. Shu hisobiga bir chiqib ketadi. Matching headings nima bo'ladi? Ya'ni bir-biriga o'xshash so'zlar tushadi, lekin hammasi ham tushmaydi. Ya'ni uchtachasi yoki ikkitachasi bo'lib olsa, bittasi to'g'ri keladi, bittasi to'g'ri kelmay qolishi mumkin. Shu как tricky situation hisoblanadi, ya'ni esdan chiqariladigan situatsiya bo'ladi. Shu hisobiga hammasini o'qib chiqishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Adapting a more aggressive policy. Hop, aggressive policylar haqida ketayotgani yo'q bu yerda, daraxtlarni kesish bo'yicha. Targeting the less healthy trees, ya'ni bu yerda treeslarni anaqasi, ya'ni healthy unhealthy kategoriyaga bo'lgani yo'q va qaysi biriga ko'proq maqsad qarash haqida ham informatsiya yo'q. How demand for valuable resource grew. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz, demand bo'lyapti, valuable resource. Demand nima qilib ketyapti? Ya'ni ценный bo'lgan resurslarga oshib ketyapti. Ценный bo'lgan resurslar bu ham shu anaqa bo'lyapti, gold bo'lyapti yoki shu anaqa daraxtlar bo'lyapti. Mana shu narsa bo'lishi mumkin. Living conditions commonly depend on the timber. Hop, living conditions timberga taalluqliligi, insonlar uchun timberga taalluqli bo'lib qolgan joyi haqida informatsiya. To protect the protection haqida shunaqa informatsiya, negative impact haqida ham hech bir olib bergani yo'q. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz, ikkita o'xshash chiqyapti. Ya'ni birinchisi economic benefit bo'lyapti, ikkinchisi nima bo'lyapti? Demand for valuable resources. Increasing demand haqida ketyapti. Bu yerda long term planning bo'lmaganligi hisobiga javobni olib ketadi, prosta to'g'ri bo'lib ketadi. Keyingisida bini o'qiymiz. Bini o'qigandan keyin nima qilamiz? Как будто mana to'g'ri topganman, turib skip qilib yubormaysizlar. Bini ham polniy o'qiysizlar va yana boshdan, ya'ni har bitta anaqaga, nimaga optionga qo'yib chiqasizlar variantlarga. To'g'riga ham qo'yib ko'ringlar. Может, to'g'ri noto'g'ri qilgan bo'lishimiz ham mumkin. Ya'ni 100% uverin bo'lsanglar ham baribir qo'yib ko'rganingiz yaxshiroq hisoblanadi. Chunki ya'ni to'g'ri tushunmagan to'liq informatsiyangizni A emas B dan topishingiz ham mumkin. Bu sizni shu xato qilishingiz riskini kamaytirib berishga yordam beradi. Today, less than 5% of roughly 2 million acres of the virgin redwood forest remains. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz, ya'ni 2 million gektardan 5% dan kamroq qolgan. Most reserves for logging is prohibited. Ya'ni prohibited bo'lgan joylarda qolgan. ruxsat etilmagan. Erosion more in the destruction of habitats for animal species such as ko'rayotgan bo'lsa ya'ni with the more in the destruction of habitats for animal species spotted ovulligi but they aren't the only things you have suffered ko'rayotgan bo'lsa bu hayvonlarga ta'sir qilyapti lekin faqatgina hayvonlarga emas deb turib aytib qo'yapti yani davomi ham bor yani kimgadir ta'sir qilayotgan harvest rates in the redwoods have fallen since tak harvest rate'lari ya'ni tak 1990 yildan kamaygan ekan when they were already half what they were in the 1970s communities bu kerak emas they want boosted several timber enterprises such as the towns of okay are now lucky to have one still just about surviving. Okay, yani bitta ko'rayotgan enterprise such as but then not lucky to have one still just about surviving survive qoladigan anaqa bo'lishi kerak. Unemployment is high in these towns and the effect is felt by everyone. Ko'rayotgan birinchi effekti kimlarga bo'lyapti? Ya'ni hayvonlarga, qaysiki spotted ovallarga bo'lyapti va ikkinchi effekti nimalarga bo'lyapti? Ya'ni odamlarga bo'lyapti. Unemployment bo'yicha. The battles of Save the River has already been fought and there aren't many of them left. Say Steve and the forest scientists at Ohio State University. Okay, with the bor ekan. Tak, o'zimiz uchun qilib qo'yamiz, chunki keyingi exercise sunligida. Also University Channel understanding how to improve management of the redwoods and are just starting to grow. Okay, good. Buni unaqa qiyin emas, ya'ni analiz qilsa, ya'ni global informatsiyani beryapti, ya'ni bu effekt haqida beryapti. No, ko'pchilik xato qiladigan narsa, mana bu misol uchun Timberni ko'rib qoldim, bo'ldi. Demak, mana bu ham Timber bor edi qayerdadir. Tak. Timber, where are you? Xullas mana bu yerda timber bor deb turib, demak javob 5 bo'lishi mumkin. Bu noto'g'ri narsa, ko'pchilik unaqa qiladi. Bu xato narsa. Nima qilishing kerak? Hech qachon matching headings qilayotgan javobi bittadan so'zga fokus qarab turib yoki bittadan so'zni e, prичина qilib turib, ya'ni sabab qilib turib anaqa qilolmaysizlar. Ya'ni umumiy nima qilasizlar, ma'nosini tushunib olib, keyin ma'nosidan keyin qo'yishimiz kerak bo'ladi. Bu umumiy ma'no, ya'ni safar qilayotganlar ham hayvonlar ham odamlar bo'layotgan ekan. Concentrate targeting less have demand for living conditions. Group trying to protect the redwoods, the negative impact on people and wildlife. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsangiz, negative impactlari bo'lyapti kimlarga? Ya'ni ovullarga, nimalarga? Odamlarga. Nimasi bo'yicha? Unemployment bo'yicha. So, bu yerda javob xudo xohlasa 7 bo'lib ketadi. Mana bu yerda the challenge now understanding how to improve management. Mana mana bu joyga ko'pchilik adashib qolishi mumkin. Ya'ni bu yerda protection haqida emas, ya'ni bu yerda nima management haqida, bu yerda shunaqa gruppalar, ya'ni harakat qilayotgan gruppalar haqida informatsiya. Keyingisiga o'tib ketamiz. It's hard to assess that. Okay. It's hard to assess forestry practices without mentioning the logging company Pacific Lumber PL, which was started by the Murphy family. Okay, bu yerda glaniy o'sha anaqani boshlagan odam mana shu anaqa ekan, tak Murphy family ekan, 1905-yilda boshlashgan ekan Pacific Lumber kompaniyasi orqali. This Murphys who learned the timber business from the chainsaw up by living some old trees. Ya'ni old treesdan anaqa qo'yishi, ya'ni qoldirishi anaqa qilgan ekan, ya'ni yaxshi deb bilgan ekan, chunki ular как old growth standing. Albert Murphy mentioned that such conservative logging practices were necessary to sustain production, ya'ni productionni ta'minlab turish uchun bu narsa muhim hisoblangan. More important to maintain high level of employment in the industry for generation to come. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsak, bu narsa juda muhim hisoblangan. Kimlar uchun? Ya'ni employmentlarni, ya'ni unemploymentlarni oldini olish uchun, kimlar uchun mana shu sohada kelajakda keladigan avlodlar uchun ish o'rinini saqlab qolish uchun muhim hisoblangan. 1985, however, Charles Herbert orchestrated the hostile takeover of PL and became its chief executive. Keyin keyin Charles Herbert bo'lgan ekan. Tak, okay, PL owned roughly over 70% of the old redwoods remaining in the private hands. More importantly for the redwoods, abandoned the Murphy's approach and adopted the conservation business model of clear cutting, which involved cutting most or all of the trees in the harvest area. Okay, keyin ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, ya'ni bu yerda approach and adopt a business model of clear cutting, ya'ni polni qilib tashlashi, tozalab tashlashi, which are cutting most or all of the trees in the harvest area, ya'ni harvest area ko'pchiligi yokida pastki hammasini anaqa qilib tashlashi buyurgan ekan. This doubled and some years even triple. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, mana shu approach 2 barobar daraja, bir xilda 3 barobar ham nima qilgan, and you want to trim timber harvesters for the companies holding. Ya'ni kompaniya degan anaqani harvest qiladigan o'zi misol uchun kolичествоsi 1000 ta daraxt yiliga harvest qilishgan bo'lsa, ya'ni sug'orishgan bo'lsa, bundan keyin уже nima bo'lyapti? Что buyruq beryapti, даже 2000 ta, даже 3000 talar ham bo'lib ketgan. Buni ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, asosiy gap nima haqida ketyapti? Ya'ni kompaniya asos solgan nimaga? Ya'ni o'sha boshlagan, ya'ni chopping, ya'ni cutting down treeslarni va Murphydan keyingi Charles anaqa Horowitz nima qilganligi haqida что bu ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar nima qilyapti approach controversial business model bo'lyapti, ya'ni clear cutting, ya'ni полный banglatib tozalab tashlab, короче, soqqani soqqiga bosishcha anaqa qilib yuborgan, buyruq berib yuborgan. Endi qo'yib chiqamiz bu yerda ko'rayotganimiz economic benefit. Bu yerda ham endi logично o'ylaydi, bir xil logично o'ylaveradi. Tak, misol uchun mingta sotyapti, 2 mingta, 3 mingta qilsa ko'proq foyda topadi deb o'ylaydi. Shu hisobiga ham economic benefit tanlayveradi. Bu xato yana. Nimaga? Chunki long term planning haqida informatsiya yo'q bu yerda. O'shanga ahamiyat beringlar. Так, ikkinchisi, adopting a more aggressive policy towards cutting down trees. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, more aggressive policy, ya'ni ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, mana more aggressive policy nima bo'lyapti bu yerda? Cutting most or all of the trees bo'lyapti in a harvest area. Ya'ni bu yerda как aggressivni, ya'ni kelajak o'ylagan holatda ozgina qoldiringlar, hatto deyapti-da, bu lekin yo'q, полный давай bangladesh tashlaring deyapti, cutting down treeslarni. Tak, bo'lishi mumkinki, keyingisi targeting the less healthy trees yo'q haqida, demand yo'q bu ketdi, tak bu yerda demand oshganligi ham haqida, living condition community depend on the timber yo'q, bu narsa ham groups trying to protect gruplar yo'q, negative impactlari yo'q. Demak, javob nima bo'lib ketadi? Просто 2 bo'lib ketadi. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, tak, hamma anaqasida paragrafida, ya'ni ko'pincha ikkita variant keladi, ya'ni ajratib olish uchun nima qilishingiz kerak? Tekst umumiy xulosasini chiqarib olishingiz kerak va ortiqcha chuqur fikrlab olishingiz kerak emas. Tekstda berilgan narsa bilan cheklansanglar, chalg'ishinglar ham, ya'ni anaqasi ham, xato qilishing riski ham ancha kamayadi. Keyingisi, Harvest attempts to cut the largest remaining block of all tree, old groves on private lands, known as the Headwaters Forest, launched armies of young protesters. Bu yerda endi ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, nima bo'lyapti? Launch army bo'lyapti, young protesters, ya'ni nima desa bo'ladi, kakani ishtiyoqi bor bolalar buni ko'tarib chiqaveradi. Короче, o'rmon saqlab qolinglar, shunaqa narsa. Drew increases from the timber regulators, but it was a dangerous time for the protesters. Protestlar uchun juda ham opasniy vaqtlar bo'lgan ekan. Three citrus were extracted by force from their platforms, hundreds of feet in the air, and some were injured. Nima qilgan bo'lishgan ekan shu jarohatlar. However, people were then bought by the Redwood Company (MRC), and the need for confrontation seemed to be over. Activists who had occupied part of an old growth section. Aktivistlar o'sha anaqalar, ya'ni tabiatda o'ylab qo'yadigan odamlar, to keep PL from logging its resources from the chief foresters Mike Jenny haqida ham bor ekan, bu yerda odam ham bor ekan. That the redwood trees in the section would not be cut down. However, for many, this was only the beginning. The whole self-taught national from the North California said that the fighting to save all the growth trees there is straightforward and easy to gain widespread backing for. Widespread backing for trying to get people to oppose sound new growth logging is more challenging, Holmes explains. Bu yerda ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, asosiy narsa nima bo'lyapti? Tam o'sha tabiat haqida qayg'uradigan yoshlar chiqib qolgan, tam anaqa protestlar qilishgan, buntlar qilishgan, tam qarshi chiqishgan, kesmanglar, pesmanglar yog'iylar bo'lgan. O'sha hisobiga javob nima bo'lib ketadi bu yerda? The groups trying to protect the redwoods bo'lib ketadi. Qolgan informatsiyalarga sal keyinroq to'xtalib o'tamiz, ya'ni keyingi zadaniya qilayotganimizda. Bu nima bo'lyapti? Tak, 6 bo'lyapti. Da. Keyingisi, as early as 1930s, a forestry expert argued that forestry expert nimani argue qilyapti? If timber companies still wanted to be making a profit in long run, ko'rayotgan bo'lsalar, agar kompaniyada nima qilayotganda profit in long run, ya'ni dальнейшем, ya'ni uzoq muddatga anaqa qilish xohlaganda, foyda qilish xohlaganda, they better start leaving some trees standing, ya'ni standing treeslarni qoldirgan bo'ladi. In line with this thinking, Jenny now promises that MRC will return to the earlier practice of selective cutting. Selective cutting, ya'ni bu tanlab kesish, ya'ni boyiga o'xshab bang'alab hammasini kesib tashlash emas. And thus leaving substantial numbers of old growth trees. Ya'ni old growth treeslarni qoldirgan bo'lardi. Jenny has already implemented this approach. Jenny ko'rayotgan bo'lsa, mana shu approachni o'sha yo'lga qo'yib yuborgan. Logo to redwood forest that it purchased. Policy will be to cut less than half of the overall volume of the timber grown on its property each year. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, ya'ni yarmidan kamrog'ini kesgan ekan. Through a variety of selection techniques, ya'ni har xil anaqa metodlar orqali, tanlash metodlari orqali. By doing this, the company will sacrifice greater short-term profit. ko'rayotgan bo'lsa short term profit, ya'ni qisqa muddatli anaqalarni sacrifice qiladi, ya'ni ulardan voz kechib turib, nima uchun voz kechadi? More sustained investment in the forest, ya'ni ko'rayotgan bo'lsa-da, ya'ni budущийda что yaxshiroq pul oqsoq olib kelish uchun, investitsiya olib kelish uchun. Bu yerda ko'rayotgan bo'lsa-da, samosa bir gap nima haqida ketyapti? Soqol qilish haqida. Qanaqa to'g'ri soqol qilish haqida, qancha vaqtda? Uzoq muddatda. O'shani hisobiga economic benefit of long term planning bo'lib ketadi, shubhasiz. Policy ketdi, yo'q, bu ketdi, bu ketdi, bu ketdi, bu ketdi. Yes. So it's gonna be the first. And the last one, oxirgisi bo'libdi. Some Okay, some foresters think that there is an even better way forward. My idea is also to cut down fewer trees. Даже kamroq anaqalarni mani ideyam даже undan ham kamroq anaqalarni qilish. But what's important, how you identify which ones. Qaysi birligini identify qilish eng muhim hisoblanadi, aniqlashing. A former industrial forester for the logging company, Louisiana Pacific, who now manages small private timberlands, the cable says is which trees you choose to remove. Bu yerda ham o'sha endi ajratib olish haqida, ya'ni o'shanga polniy fokus qaratyapti. Bu ham o'sha tarafdori kamroq ketsin, lekin gap ko'proq fokus qaratilyapti qaysi daraxtlarni qanaqa, qaysi birini kesishda, qaysi birini qoldirishda. Hence foresters mark every tree they want to be cut, ya'ni o'sha cut qilmoqchi bo'lgan daraxtlarni anaqa belgilab qo'yib qo'yadi. Aiming never to exist 30 to 35% percent of the forest. Maqsad shu. Forestni 30-35% anaqasidan oshib ketmasligi kerak bo'ladi, ya'ni shu limit uchun belgilab ketishgan. Apple is most critical of a forum of a forest selective logging called high grading, where only the best trees are logged. By the contrast, we harvest weak and poorly formed trees. Yani we harvest weak and poorly formed trees, leaving the straights and the strongest to thrive in the newly available light. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, bu kesayotganda nima qilyapti? Yani select haqida ketyapti. Selectda shu slabiy nimjon yokida anaqa qilmagan, ya'ni yaxshi anaqa qilmagan, form shakllanmagan daraxtlarni kesadi. Cho'tki baland kuchli daraxtlarni nima qilmaydi? Qoldiradi. And luckily, timbermen who routinely clear out in the harvest area for decades, every few decades, Abel comes back once a decade to evaluate whether to cut again. He never takes more wood than the forest has grown over that time. Limit ushlab turadi which means the remaining trees, what he calls the principal, continue to increase in the height, volume, and the quality. But boy, качество там рост shu narsada bo'yicha ketyapti. Xullas, bu yerda ko'rayotgan selection haqida ketyapti va qaysi birini kesish, ya'ni cho'tkilarni olib qolish, tuftalarni kesib olish haqida ketyapti. Groups trying to protect living condition depending on the timber, yo'q, have demand for global research, grow, yo'q, targeting adaptive model. Так, опа. Yeah. Well, targeting the less healthy traits. Targeting degani, ya'ni o'sha nima qilish, cutting down bo'lib ketadi, ya'ni maqsad qilish, shu narsani nima qilish, maqsad qilish. Targeting nimani? Less healthy traits. Less healthy o'sha naоборот, antonim mana cho'tki daraxtlar antonim, ya'ni less healthy nima? Weak and poorly formed trees. Nima ma'nosi bo'lsa, sinonim bo'lib ketadi. Так, shu hisobiga javob просто 3, 3 bo'lib ketadi. Keyingisi o'sha ismlar bo'lyapti. Odamlarni nima qilib chiqishimiz kerak, topib chiqishimiz kerak. Qaysi odam nimani gapirganligini. Katta, tak, nimadan boshlaymiz? Momentdan boshlaymiz. Birinchi odam shu yerdan chiqib adashmasam. Steve Sillett haqida gap ketayotgan ekan, ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar. The battle to save the redwoods has already been fought and there aren't many of them left. Уже anaqa qilishni boshlangan va nima qilmayapti, ya'ni ko'pi qolmagan deyapti. And Steve, a forest scientist, State University. The challenge now is understanding how to improve management of the redwoods. Hozirgi muammo nima bo'lyapti? Ya'ni tushunishda bo'lyapti. Qanaqa qilib managementni kuchaytirish, ya'ni redwoodlarni managementini kuchaytirish haqida. They have been replanted and are just starting to grow. Ya'ni boshqatdan ekilgan va yukida o'sayotganlar haqida. Okay. It's a bad policy to cut down, bad policy to prioritize quality uchun yo'q. Bu narsa it's easier to get popular support yo'q. It's essential for consider effects of the logging policy on the future generation of timber works. Yo'q, bu haqida there are lots of your original left to protect. The battle to save redwoods has already been fought and there aren't many of them left. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, ya'ni there aren't many of them left degani, ko'pi qolmagan deyapti. Shu hisobiga there are relatively few. Few, relatively few nimasini bu kitadi? There aren't many of them left sinonim bu kitadi. Original left to protect. Mana nima ishdi? Shundoq javobi chiqyapti. Tak, Steve Sillage nima bo'ldi? A bo'ldi. Next, keyingi odamimiz, tak, Murphy. Murphy bo'lishi kerak. It's hard to assess relative dimensions, blah. The Murphys who learned the lumber business from the shooting chain. Bu yerda adashmasam anaqa edi, ya'ni kattaroq daraxtlarni saqlab qolish kerak, чтобы kelajakda avlod ishsiz qolib ketmasligi uchun degan narsa bor edi. Gross and Murphy mentioned such logging practice were necessary to sustain production. Saqlab qolish uchun, and perhaps even more important, to maintain high level of employment in the industry for generation to come on. Very good. So here the answer for the second person. So it's gonna be like bad policy to cut down all the redwoods of superior quality. Yo'q, bu yerda ya'ni superior quality o'sha качество degani bilan chotki daraxtlar. To get popular support anaqa boshlanmadi hali protestlar. It's essential to consider the effects of logging policy on future generation of timber workers. Very good. Future timber workers by employment in this industry bo'lib ketadi. Future generation to come bo'lib ketadi. Eng muhim hisoblanadi. Mana bu yerda ham ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, mana were necessary muhim hisoblangan boshqa deb turadi. Answer is gonna be B. Easy peasy. Next, keyingisi kim bo'ldi? Charles Hurwitz. In 1985, Howard orchestrated the hostile takeover of PLM, became its chief executive. Kim bu уже, короче, yomon anaqa bo'lib chiqdi. Anaqa bo'yicha, ideya bo'yicha tam kesib tashlaydigan, boshqa qilib tashlaydigan. И bu saqlab qolish uchun banglalarni kesib tashlash, bu unaqa faqat superiority quality emas, a u yerda hamma anaqalarni kesib tashlash, ajratmasdan. Ko'rdingmi, bular kesib tashladi ortida. Bu yerda hech qanaqa anaqa support haqida bu kishi bola aytgan edi. Buni maqsadi faqat shu saqlab qolish, boshqa qilish. Shu hisobiga skip boramiz. Okay, next yana nima aytib bor ekan? Horvitz attempts to cut larger mobile on private landowners launch young protesters, security regulation dangers. Three teachers who were excited. Yo'q, bitta ham yo'q shunaqa informatsiya. Bu yerda o'sha aktivistlar haqida gap ketyapti. Kimdir aytish kerak mana shu narsani o'sha. Mikey Johnny bormidi? Da bor ekan. Actually, Mikey Johnny, the reward trees in the section would now be cut down. However, for many, this is only the beginning. Here, Lindsay Hall. It's also national from the California state the fighting to sell it's right for energy to get white. Окей, мы нами тиге. Коротким усилием то, что оп. Leslie Hall himself told naturalists from the Northern California said that the fighting to save old growth trees, ya'ni shu protest qilish, qarshi chiqish, boshqa qilish, straightforward and easy to gain widespread backing for you. Backing for you degani ekan, orqangda turib beradi yonda degani. Bu degani support degani. Ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar nima qiladi? Ya'ni support olish juda ham oson deyapti. Agar mana shu narsalarga sen qarshi chiqadigan bo'lsang, deyapti. Bu yerda it's easier to get popular support for some logging issues. Logging issues degani nima edi? Fighting to save old growth trees than for others. So javob buni kim aytyapti? Xolim xola aytyapti. Bo'lib ketadi javob. Va keyingisi tak bizada уже normal yo'q, hammasini bittadan ishlatishimiz kerak ekan. Tak, EBF bilan o'tkazdik. EBF. Okay, Mikey Jenny bordi. Mikey Jenny, tak Murphy ile ishlatdik. EBA. As only the for all goods import company make robot to be policy to cut down only. Xullas bu kanallarni qilish, faqat kesib tashlash bu yomon narsa degan narsani topsak bo'ldi ekan. Promising return in line with the thinking Jenny when I came to them more promises that MRC will turn to the older practice of selective cutting, thus leaving substantial number of old growth trees. Jenny has already implemented this approach. Areas of heavily logged redwood forest that it purchases will be cut less than half overall volume timber its property each year through a variety of selection. By the end, this company will get. Вот, ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, takmanashda ekan, inline promises their return to early practice selection and those living substantial numbers of old, ko'rayotgan bo'lsanglar, and those living substantial numbers of old growth trees. Ya'ni yaxshi superior quality treeslarni nima qilib qolish, qoldirish deyapti. Mana ko'rayotgansiz mana shu approach qilgan. Accuracy of have a logo to rate force. The purchase will be to cut less than half overall volume timber grown. Blah blah blah. Property techniques by the use of sacrifice и bitta shu boya ko'rdi что short term anaqa foydani ketkazib turib nollik o'rniga long term investment oladi. И mana bitta yana bitta bor ekan. For just even better way forward, my idea is to cut down fewer trees by saying for have you identify with your foreign national foreign logging companies specific on a maximum private. Will says which trees you choose to remove in the forest mark every tree to be cut down. И вот shuni berib qo'ydi, что aytayotidi, Apple nima qilyaptidi? Mana bu narsani kesib tashlayaptida, mana bu narsani qoldiryaptidi mana ko'rayotgansiz. Leaving the straight and the strongest to strive in the newly available light ketyapti. Ko'rayotgan, it's a bad policy, ya'ni bu ya'ni noto'g'ri narsa hisoblanadi. Anaqa superior quality daraxtlarni kesib tashlash va bu ham xuddi shu narsani aytyapti. Ya'ni naоборотlarni, ya'ni weaklarni qoldirib, cho'tkilarni, weaklarni chop tashlab, cho'tkilarni qoldiramiz deyaptida. Shu hisobiga javob F bo'lib ketadi. Shu bilan qilib bo'lmiz. Oh, King is at that time we discovered value of California redwoods, but commercial value boshda keladi. Так, at that time shu vaqtda deyotdi nimadir topilingan. People also released the commercial debutni. Oson boyib ketish anaqa Eastern people что oson boyib ketish anaqasi deb topishgan. But nima bo'lyapti? When the gold was found in California, ko'rayotgansiz, at that time discovered synonym at the synonym of what? Found the synonym bitadi. Nima topilyapti bu yerda? Gold. Gold was discovered. People also released the commercial value. Commercial value is what? To get easy way to get rich. Yani of California redwoods. Okay, next. By the late 18th century, 18th century bomb, 18th century, 18th century. Tak, by the okay, 1880s, bu 1880-yilda bu o'sha late 19th century bo'ladi. Lots of timber was being used by companies. Ko'pgina kompaniyalardan foydalangan. Qanaqa kompaniyalar? Ya'ni bu yerda specific bitta kompaniya aytishimiz kerak. Nimadir ishlab chiqaradigan. So North San Francisco were churning out timber for furniture. Furniture bu kompaniyani ismi bo'lib ketadi. Furniture manufacturers. Ko'rayotgansiz manufacturerslar bu kompaniyalar. Nima ishlab chiqaradigan kompaniyalar bo'lyapti? Furniture. Просто furniture deb yozib qo'yamiz. In the construction industry. Bu yerda tak, uzr. Tak, construction olamiz bu yerda, chunki bu qurilish sanoati hisoblanadi. Bizga nima kerak? Kompaniya ko'proq nimaga to'g'ri keladi? Tak, manufacturing companyga to'g'ri keladi, ya'ni ishlab chiqaradigan. Nima ishlab chiqaradigan? Mebel ishlab chiqaradigan bo'lib ketadi. Working so today, formerly prosperous communities have significant economic problems such as qanaqadir muammosi bor. Bu yerda tak muammo hayvonlarga edi, odamlarga tegishli bo'lgan muammo. Tak, communities. Okay, communities that once boasted several timber enterprises such as towns or Oryx are now lucky to have one still just about surviving. Unemployment is high in these towns and effect is felt by everyone. Ko'rayotgan masala. Ekonomik problema. Qaysi nima bo'lyapti? Unemployment bo'lyapti. Unemployment. Shu bilan inshaalloh bo'lib submit qilamiz. Hop, 13'da. Mashallah. Tak, juda ham yaxshi so'zlar bor ekan, ya'ni tam location inshaalloh mana shularni hozir Telegramga tashlab qo'yaman bularni ham.